Good morning, students. I am Vikram Singh Rathod, Assistant Professor at Center for E-Governance. Today, I represent you Python Pandas working with text data. In this e-lecture, we use various type of methods such as upper, lower, concatenate, split, etc. Those are defined in our e-lecture. In this lecture, we discuss the string operations which are basic series or index. In the subsequent lecture, we will learn how to apply those string functions on a data frame. Basically the data frame is the part of the pandas library that is created in pandas library, so we can use data frame in our examples. Pandas provide a set of string functions which make it easy to operate on string data manipulation. Most importantly, these functions ignore or exclude missing or none values. Almost all of these methods work with Python string functions, so convert the series object to the string object and then perform the operation. Let us now see how each operation performed using the pandas library in our next slide. First of all, we create a series using the pandas library for execute the functions. So first of all, we import the pandas library as a PD and import numpy as a NP, and then after s1 variable is used to create a series is equal to then call pd dot series option or method, and in this method we put the values in a list like structure such as string values Vikas, Sunil, Ram, Rohit @1 and np dot none, it means the null value, and a string value 1 2 3 and Sri Sham value as a string value. And then after print s1, our output is print the string values as per defining in a series. You can notice that the column 1 defining the index value by default, that is created by the pandas library, and the values those are occur in our list values is also defined as a index value such as 0 as Vikas, 1 as Sunil, and 2 as Ram, and 3 as Rohit @1, and 4 is null value, and 5 is 1 2 3 4, and 6 is 3 Sham, and data type is also defined here as a object. Then after example 2, I am defining the lower method. Basically, lower method is used to convert a string in a series index to lowercase. So that's why I am importing both of libraries and then create a s1 variable, and as per the previous slide, the values are created in a series, pandas series, and print, you can notice here, print s1 dot str dot lower method is called by our pandas library, and after executing it convert the values in a lower case. You can notice that all of the values that are defining in a series is converted into small letters or lowercase letters. And the example third is used for upper method. It is also used to convert the values in uppercase statement or a capital letters. So that's why I am creating a s1 variable and create a series and put the values as Vikas, Sunil, Ram, Rohit, and none value, and 1 2 3 and Sri Sham. And then after, you can notice that here a print option I am calling s1 series and put the dot value. After dot value I am select the string method, and then string method I am put the dot, and then after I am select the upper method, it convert the pandas series value into uppercase. Later you can notice that all of the values are defining in a series is converted into uppercase. And then after defining the len method, because basically it calculates the length of the values those are put in our string. So we can write here a statement print s1.str, then call the method len, and after executing it calculate the number of character in a string, such as at the 0th position I am defining a Vikas, it contain 5 characters, so your output is 5.0. and in the last option Shri Sham, that contain the 10 characters, so your answer is 10.0, and the data type is float 64. Then after example 5, I am use a strip method. Basically a strip method is used to strip the white space including new line from each string in a series or an index from both of the side of a string value. So first of all we import both libraries, and then after, as per defining s1 as a series, I am defining is equal to pd.series and put the values. You can notice here I am putting the values as a 0th index as a Ram, and one index is a Ramesh Kumar, and third as a Shyam, and second as a Shyam, and third as a Rohit. And then print s1, that is simply print the values 0th index as a Ram, and 1 index as a Ramesh Kumar, and 2 index as a Shyam, and 3 index as a Rohit. And then after I am writing a code print after stripping, so that's why I am defining the strip method in a print option. You can notice that print s1.str and then call the strip method. After executing the strip method, you can notice that the values are executing and removing the spaces those are used in the series. You can notice here the it remove the blank spaces or white spaces in a series, and the answer is, you can notice here, Ram, Ramesh Kumar, Shyam and Rohit. And the example number 5, I am using split pattern method. Basically it split each string with the given pattern, so that's why I am using both of libraries and create a series and put the values Ram, Ramesh, Shyam, Rohit, and print s1, that's only print the values. And then after, you can notice that I am defining a print option print s1.str.split method, and in this method I am putting a column values in a string single quotation values, and then close the print option statement. And after executing, you can notice here that the split pattern is defining as a output as a list type data structure. You can notice here at the 0th position the Ram, comma, and then close the bracket, and then comma, Ramesh, comma, Kumar, and then Shyam, and then Rohit. You can notice here it split the name into the various string patterns. Example 7th, I am defining the cat concatenation of a series or elements in the given using a separator. So that's why I am defining the both of libraries and create a S1 series pd.series and put the values Ram, Ramesh Kumar, Shyam and Rohit as per previous. And you can notice here I am writing print, then open bracket s1 dot str dot cat sep is equal to underscore, defining in a single inverted commas and close the bracket. After executing it, concatenate the above series values in a single line Ram dash Rakesh Kumar dash Shyam dash Rohit. And caution and another example is based on the get dummies. Basically it returns the data frame with one hot and coded values. So first of all we import both of the libraries pandas and numpy and then create a series pd.series and put the values as per corresponding Ram, Ramesh, Shyam, Rohit, and the print statement s1.str.getDummies method is called, and after executing you can notice that the values are in a dummy format. You can notice here the values are numeric format. And then after example 9, method is contain method. Basically it return a boolean value true for each element if the substring contained in the in the element, else false. So first of all we import only a single library pandas as a pd and create a series s1 and then defining print s1.str contain and then defining single string and close the values, and after executing it provides the two values as a true and the next two value as a false value. You can notice that the after executing it converted the values as true and false as per boolean answer. So as per your convenience I am defining also a slide here to execute the program. As per your convenience you write the code, see the code and execute the code. And in example 10 I am using a replace method. Basically it replaces the value with the value A with value B. So first of all we import pandas library and defining a series and then print s1, it only write the values that is defined in a series, and after replacing I am defining a print option after replacing @ with dollar symbol. You can notice that in our in our series the Rohit is defining as a Rohit @1, that is replaced by a dollar method. So that's why I am writing here print s1.str.replace and dollar replace with a @ symbol replace with a dollar, defining in inverted commas and close the bracket. After executing you can notice that at the index position Rohit 1 you can notice here Rohit $1. It means the the @ symbol is converted into dollar symbol. Example number 11, I am use a repeat method. Basically repeat method is used to specify the number of times that is repeated in a particular string value. So it convert the value into multiple times. So that's why first of all we create a S1 series using pandas library and put the values Ram, Ramesh Kumar, Sham, Rohit, and after that print s1 dot str dot repeat 2. That's why I am defining a 2. It means it multiply the string. It means after executing it display the Ram 2 times. If here I am defining the 3, the Ram is defining 3 times in our output. As per the repeat method that is used in print statement, I am defining 2 option. After executing it, converted the values into 2 times, such as Ram and Ram, Ramesh Kumar and Ramesh Kumar, Sham and Sham, Rohit and Rohit. And example number 12, I am use a count method that is used to count the appearance of a pattern in each element. So first of all we import the pandas library as a PD and defining a pandas series and put the values Ram, Ramesh Kumar, Sham and Rohit, and then after I am writing a statement that is defining the output, the number of M in each string. So in this question it count the occurrence of M in our string values that is defined in our pandas series. So after that it execute. You can notice here at the 0th position your answer is 1. That's why the Ram has a M value as a 1 and Ramesh has a 2 has contained 2 M values, so your answer is 2, and Syam contain M as a 1 value, so your answer is 1, and Rohit does not contain M value, so your answer is 0. Example number 13, I am defining start with pattern method. Basically it returns the true if the element in the series or index start with the pattern. So first of all we import pandas library as a PD and defining the series PD dot series Ram, Ramesh Kumar, Sham and Rohit, and then print string that start with a R option. So as per the previous slide I am defining the count with M, and in this present slide I am defining the start string. Those are the start string, those are from R. So after executing it your answer is first 0th index is start from a R, so your answer is true, and second is also defined as a R, so your but multiple R have in your this option as a index number 1 Ramesh Kumar, so your answer is false, and the third is not contain R, so your answer is false, and the index number third is start with a R, so your answer is true. So its data type is a Boolean data type. And example number 4 is AND with pattern, is also as a previous slide is also contain the string matches with M. So first of all create the series pandas series as a Ram, Ramesh Kumar, Sham and Rohit, and string that end with the M it calculates. So that's why I am writing print s1 dot str dot end with M. You can notice with the Ram as a false and 1 Ramesh is also false and 2 is Sham is true and Rohit is false. And the example number 15, find pattern, it return the first position of the first occurrence of the pattern. So that's why I am defining the import pandas library as a PD and create a series s1 is equal to pd.series, and then contain Ram, Ramesh Kumar, Shyam and Rohit, and print statement s1.str find A. So in this statement we just find out the A values in our series, those contain A. So that's why it's after executing it, defining the output as 0th position is a 1. It means a is present in a Ram and Ramesh is also present a Ram, and A in Ramesh Kumar A is present in 2 times, so your answer is 2. And the Shyam is also present a Ram, a value, and the Rohit does not contain a value, so your answer is -1. Example number, find all pattern. It return a list of all occurrence of the pattern. So first of all you create the values, and then after the define print s1.str find all and put a value in a string, and after executing you can notice that the values is 0th position A, and 1 position A, and 3rd position is A, and 4th position is null value. So that's why you notice that the A is contained in the following values. Then after I am using a swap method, so that's why in this method the swap method is used for using the lower and upper method. So import pandas as a PD and write pd.series Ram, Ramesh Kumar, Shyam, Rohit s1.str swap case, and output is converted the small letters as Ram as a small letter and Ramesh and K is also a small letter. So that's why you notice here the string first value is converted into small case. And example number 8 is counted for the values those are defining in the PD series are is lower. It means is check the value in a lower case. So after executing it our answer is false, because all of the values have at least a 1 character or a 2 character as a capital letter. In example number 19 is check the uppercase. So after executing it, count the upper as a 0th false, as after executing the false values is your answer, and data type is a boolean type. In example number 20th is used for count the is numeric value. So it check the value that is the string that contain a numeric value. So first of all import pandas library and create a pandas string Ram, Ramesh Kumar, Shyam and Rohit 1, and then s1.str is numeric. So your answer is, notice you can note that our answer is false. For your convenience I am writing the code. You can notice here the code in Anaconda using spider tool. You can execute the above code. Thanks students.